There are many words in the legal language which appears to be same, but they are not same, they are similar. So that's why people get confused between the terms. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priya Sipaha, and in this video we are going to discuss some of the confused words in the legal language. The first one is the difference between prosecute and persecute. Prosecute means to take legal action against any person or group regarding a crime. That means if anyone is doing anything illegal, then a person can be prosecuted in the court. Whereas if you are treated harshly or cruelly by the people owing to your religion, race or political beliefs, you are persecuted by them. Next is illicit and illicit. Illicit means illegal or anything that is prohibited by laws and rules. Whereas illicit means when you draw out or provoke someone for response. The next is license and license. It appears to be similar because it sounds similar, but there is a difference between the spelling of the two. License is an official document that permit you to use or have something. For example, you can have a license of a car or a bike or any sort of a driving license. Whereas license is used as a noun, which means when someone has got the authority to do something. For example, if someone is having an authority, that is a license to construct a commercial building or anything license which is retained by the government. Petrol and petrol again sound similar, but the difference is in the spelling. Patrol is the act of moving around the area by a group of police or soldiers for observation and inspection. There is always a patrolling of police in every area just to look after law and order situation. Whereas petrol is a liquid substance refined from petroleum which is used as a fuel to drive the internal combustion engines of the vehicles. Confess and admit. This is the most common misused word by a common man. Confess is something means to reveal the truth, particularly in the context of sin or crime. For example, the culprit confesses his mistake and asked for forgiveness. This is confess, where he is telling about or he is revealing the truth. Whereas admit means to admit your mistake. It means that you are accepting your guilt but without accepting forgiveness. Obvious and oblivious. Obvious means to express something very clearly that can be easily understood. Although oblivious means to describe someone who is unaware of people or thing going nearby. For example, you should not be oblivious about the need of your family. That means it is considered that you should be aware, oblivious of the need of your family. Differ and defer. Differ means any subject or topic or a thing that are not related to each other or which have opposite meaning. For example, classical and hip-hop art differ from each other. Defer means when you delay something or some time, you defer it. For example, in the absence of the required fact, the decision on the issue has been deferred till tomorrow. The next is heir and heir. Always remember, it is not hair, it is heir. It means a person who is legally entitled to inherit the property of another person. Like son and grandson is the heir of father and grandfather's property. And air, I think everybody knows that an invisible substance which is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases that surrounds earth and forms atmosphere. And lastly, bail and bail. Again, sounds similar. While bail is when you pay an amount to a law court for a person accused of a crime, you help him to release on bail. Whereas bail is a large bundle of materials that are tightly wrapped with wire or rope. So that's all about some of the confused word. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Take care.